Hi everyone, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. Chappy's inside. He will be making an appearance at the end of the video. Today I'll be taking you through a beginner yoga workout for abdominal strength. Having a strong core is so important. It supports your spine, it supports your hips, it helps with back pain, it helps with your mobility, it helps with so many things in your life. If you have no previous experience with abdominal work, that's okay. We're going to go through things very slowly. If you like yoga videos, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every single week, and it's an easy way for you to support free yoga on YouTube. Let's go ahead and get settled in. Get in a nice, comfortable seat. You can bring the hands down to your knees and close your eyes. Begin to focus in on your breathing. Notice the qualities of your inhales and exhales without any judgment. And if you'd like, you can set an intention for your practice, something you can bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, and maybe something positive to bring forward into the rest of your day. On your next inhale, go ahead and float the eyes open. I'm just going to shift forward over the left knee. Just bring the hands over to frame the left knee and bend forward. Inhale and exhale. Bring the chest down towards the knee. You can bring the forehead down. Come back up on an inhale, shift the hands over to the right knee, and exhale down, bringing the chest down towards the right knee, forehead down towards the knee. Getting a bit of a stretch in the low back. On an inhale, crawl back to center. We're going to come into tabletop position. Just shift over to your hands and knees. Make sure that you have the knees underneath the hips and that you have the shoulder over the wrists. Let's do some cat and cow stretches just to get the back and stomach warmed up. Exhale the stomach down. Inhale up. Exhale and inhale. Continue to flow with your own breath here. Let's take one more round together. And come back to a neutral spine. Now let's lift the right foot behind you. Hold it for a moment for a balance. And then we're going to bring the knee into nose. Inhale in. Exhale back out. Now bend the leg and press up behind you. Straighten the leg. Inhale in. Exhale out. Bend the leg. Shift it straight up behind you. Straighten the leg. Inhale in. Exhale out. Bend the knee one more time. Press up and bring the right knee down to meet the left knee. Now we're going to repeat it with the other side. So just raise the left leg up behind you. Hold it for a moment. Get your balance. Now we're going to repeat that. So inhale, curl the left knee in. Exhale, bring it back out. Bend the knee. Press up behind you. So we're actually getting a little glute work also. Extend the leg. Inhale, bring the knee in. Exhale, extend it out. Flex the foot, bend the knee, press up. Let's do it one more time. Extend the leg. Inhale, knee in. Exhale, press out. Bend the leg, kick up behind you, And just bring the left knee down beside the right. Good job. Let's go ahead and bring the butt back to the heels. Stretch out long in front of you for child's pose. Bring the forehead down to the mat. Maybe bring your mind back to your intention. On an inhale, let's come back up into our tabletop position, and we're just going to scoot back into a seat. Just bring the butt down. Bring the legs out in front of you. Keep the knees bent. We're going to do a version of boat. So you got a lot of options here. Pointing both feet. You can hold the knees with your hands, or you can bring the hands down by the hips. Whatever you choose. We're going to lift the knees up. Just hold it here using your stomach muscles. Keep breathing. Take another inhale here. And exhale, just come back up to sit. Wrap your hands around the knees. Let's exhale back. Rest the back a little bit. Inhale back up to sit. All right, now that we've reset, let's come back into that same pose. So inhale, pick up the knees. Now we're going to do toe taps. So right toe, left toe. 2, 3, 4. You guys can do it. 5. Good job. Tilt back up to sit. Wrap the hands around the knees. Go ahead and bow back. And come back forward. Now that we've reset, let's do one more round of those. So come up, pick up the feet. Toe taps. We're going to go a little faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back up. Grab the knees. You guys are doing awesome. Go ahead, let's bow back for a moment. Come back up to seated. Now bring the arms back behind you. Kind of like you're sunbathing. Extend the left foot out first. We're just going to lift the leg. By isolating the leg like this, it's going to make it a little more difficult, but it's going to work those lower abdominals. So it's small movement here. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. One more. Inhale up, exhale down. Good job. Now bend the left knee. Straighten out the right leg. We're going to do that again with the right foot. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Very good. Now drag the right foot up beside the left. Come up and hug the knees. Arch back. Give the back a little bit of a rest. Inhale, back up. Now let's go ahead and come all the way down to your mat. And now that we're lying down flat on the mat, pick up both feet. Your hands are helping you as a counterweight here. Extend the legs out and bring them in. Now you can make this as difficult or as easy as you like. Stay with your level. You can adjust this and continue to do this exercise for a very long time. That's what makes it a great thing to put in your toolkit. So extend the leg out, extend the legs out, bend them in. Extend them out, bring them in. Now if you want to make it more difficult, extend it out a little further away and bring it in. Whatever you choose, stick with it. In, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Done 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now reach up, give yourself a big hug, and come back down. We're not done yet. Bring the legs out above you, however high is comfortable for you. If you put them lower to the ground, you get more of a challenge. If you put them up a little higher, you get less of a challenge. Wherever you are is exactly where you need to be for the day. So go ahead, let's bend the legs in. Take a breath here. Exhale, we're going to do some flutter kicks. So extend the legs out. Flutter kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Draw the legs back in. Have a rest here. Let's do one more round. You guys are doing awesome. You should be very proud of coming here today and working. So extend the legs back out. Flutter kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Pull them in. Reach up. Give yourself a big hug because you did amazing. Now bring the feet back down to the mat with your knees bent. Let's do a little bit of a bridge just to stretch out those tummy muscles. Bring the hands back down to the sides of the mat and this is like one of those 80s hip thrusters. You're going to do a bridge, so just press up. You're just stretching out this muscle, stretching out the entire chain here. Nice counterbalance to all of those variations of crunches. And bring the butt back down to the ground. Now let's come up, give ourselves our final hug because we did amazing today. And release into Savasana. Just let it all go. Let the arms flop out to the sides. Let the feet flop out to the sides. Let any remaining tension in your body melt away into the floor or the earth below you. If you'd like, you can pause this video and stay in Savasana for as long as you want. Otherwise, begin to make some small movements with the fingers and toes, some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Reach out long for a big stretch, and let's roll over to one side in the fetal position. When you're ready, you can use your hands, press yourself back up to a comfortable seat. Float your eyes shut one more time. Do a quick scan of the body. See how it feels differently than when you began your practice. Thank yourself for coming to the mat today, taking some time to do something good for you. May you bring the power and strength that you have cultivated in your practice forward into the rest of your day today. You can bring your hands to heart center in prayer and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for taking a little time and doing some yoga with me and working on that core strength and working on that back strength. Good stability for a good, strong life. If you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. It's just amazing to be able to teach people all over the world. It's a wonderful feeling. I can't even describe it. May you take the strength and stability of your practice forward into the remainder of your day today. May you be happy, safe, and peaceful. I'll see you guys next time.